100 ohms. First two digits are these two bands. The third band is this 0. 1 is represented by color brown. 0 is black. I have 1 0 at the third position. That's why I'm going to have brown. Because brown represents 1. This digit is telling me how many zeros I'm going to have. I have 1 0, that's why I have brown over here. And plus minus 5% is gold. The fourth band is the tolerance. Gold is plus minus 5%. This is the color code for this resistor. Let's take a look at the second example. I have 340 ohms. I have 3, 4, and 1 0. I have orange. I have yellow, because 4 is represented by yellow. And I have 1 0, that's why I have to write brown. Plus minus 10%, which is silver. At the fourth position, silver represents plus minus 10% of the tolerance. Let's take a look at the third example. I have 1 kilo ohm. You have to remember that kilo represents 1000. I can rewrite this resistance as 1000 ohms plus minus 5%. These two digits are represented by these two bands. That's why I'm going to have brown. Second one is black. And the third band represents the number of zeros. How many zeros I have over here? I have 2 zeros. That's why I have to write over here red. And plus minus 5% is gold. This is the color code for this resistor.